There's Lennox, Sealant, and Daikin. We have a Daikin unit, and it's a 2022. It's got 4 fan blades. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It has smooth dots. That's cool. Cool Daikin. I love this unit. It might be a 3.5 ton Daikin. Over here we have a Lennox. Total comfort's yours. And it's got a compressor blanket. And it's a 1994. Nice Daikin. And this is kind of. This is got it's maybe it might be. Yeah, it's a straight core unit. Let's check the other one. They're both are straight core units. There are 2. Okay. This is a 1994 Lennox. And over here we have a 2022 Lennox Daikin. Maybe. Can I get it over here? Yeah, cool. Nope, no more. They're done. 4 blades. Okay. There you have it, guys.